What you're looking at here is the Atari Punk Console shop. Some of these are for sale, some of these are not. I'll show you what I got here. And some of these are also broken. I got the Silver Siren Sweeper, which is broken. That's down for repair. I'm going to repair that one. The spinning wheel LED game. Press that and the lights light up there. The Laser Punk Console, which is not for sale. It's on reserve for a special person who did some special cool graphics for Atari Punk Console. Thank you, Bebo. This is the classic Pro Atari Punk Console. That is drawer 1. These drawers are subject to change, so don't order from the drawers. Order by name on the site. Okay, what we got over here is the super high power LED flashlight, hand built. 10 super high power, super bright LEDs. I mean, super freaking duper bright. Okay. We got a 3-watt miniature audio amplifier. Clearly marked where the in and the out are with a little arrow there, a little light to turn on to show you that's on. Another one here, this one has a volume control. This is also a 3-watt audio amplifier. I forgot which side was in and which side was out, so I'll make sure to mark that. And I might actually be upgrading that to 1/8" headphone audio jacks. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe I'll leave it the way it is. Here we go. We got the aircraft receiver, the Ramsey aircraft receiver, and the antenna for that is right here. Pretty badass antenna. That's not for sale yet because I haven't even got that to pick up any radios. I mean aircraft radios at least. Got the car alarm that I built and have not tested yet. I do not know if it works. It looks pretty cool. I mean, it looks like it's gonna work. So hopefully once I can figure out how to get that plugged into my car, I will test it and see. And oh, this is a cool one right here. This is the shock box. You hold down this here red button. You hear it winding up in there, and then you got the little light there that's gonna blink when it's done charging. It's gonna blink here when it's done charging. I'm gonna do this over here where it's safe, when it's away from stuff, so I won't break anything good in there. You know why? Because you see them 2 probes on the end there? Those are positive and negative of a high capacity capacitor that's in here that we're charging up with a couple AA batteries using the guts of an old disposable camera from Eckerd's. And whammo, that thing is pretty fucking tough, pretty badass. That's the thing that makes the flash go on there. Right here we have the Beatbox console. Battery's low on that one, so I'm gonna need to put a new battery in it, and it's also got a output there for if you want to hook it up to your mixer. And drawer 2, and we got drawer 3 here, where you have Atari Punk Console Pro. This one has 2 inputs and outputs in the center. And I'll have some labels on this one eventually here. It's got a volume control, switch on the side to turn it on there. You can see it's on. And have not hooked up this yet, but this is potentially a 9-volt jack for outside source power for DC wall adapter. Batteries inside, really inconvenient style Atari Punk console, just like a lot of these other ones in here. This is a really cool one right here, one of the latest ones. It's a 4093 NAND synth, or better known as the Chaos synth. This thing has got up 2 oscillators and a volume control. It's pretty badass. It's got a beat drop button right here. It's got a output for 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch headphones for your standard equipment, and pretty much on-off switch there, and battery inside in convenient style like the rest, or like a lot of them, not the rest of them. This is one of the pretty fun ones right here. This is pretty fun. This is the traffic light kit. You turn that on, and there's traffic lights, and it's dual mode too. You can see the other lights aren't coming on because there's a switch over here. You turn that switch on, and bleep 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 bleep. The other two lights come on, blinking real fast. That's that. And then further back inside here, we also have the music box piano. One of the very first Atari Punk pianos I built. I don't know if the battery is alive in this one or not. No, it's not. But there is definitely a video of this one on. It's got a speaker built in, pretty heavy duty, heavy ass speaker. Thing weighs a ton. And that's drawer 3 for you. 4 has some pretty cool prototypes that have not been enclosed in cases. I'll only go over a few of these. This one has been enclosed in a case, but I'm gonna redo it because it looks really cool when it's inside the blue plastic there. When the LEDs are inside the blue plastic, they light up back and forth pretty cool like. And there's another one that does the same thing. This thing is a pretty cool circuit. This is a Chua circuit. Makes some really crazy sounds. And right there you got an FM radio, and these two things are a couple siren practice kits. They helped me learn how to solder, actually, and that's why they're called solder practice kit. And because I did those there, I think I'm pretty good at soldering now. It came out pretty good, and all these other things came out pretty good, right? Here's drawer 5. This one's got a lot of good stuff in it. There's the manual for that radio up there in drawer 2. This is the blaster box. It's based off the Ramsey Mad Blaster kit.